Hello everyone, this is John speaking. So we are at West Virginia in a very good environment. Weather is kinda sometimes good, sometimes bad, but environment and nature is amazing and people are very nice, helpful.
So this is our first day of the assembly. Our container arrived 5 days ago and we just arrived yesterday. This is how we start. First we unload the container as the parts needed in the first stages, and then we will change it to assembling them. Half of the first day will be on this unloading stage, and I will keep you further updated. I would like to talk about the project here. This is a cabin ATV rental place. I think they have about 10 cabins already here, and we are going to build with them 3 more A-frames. This will be their first time built with us, but they look very experienced about what they are doing. They have built cabins before, so I am expecting this will be their easiest assembly ever. That will be my expectation. Here we are at our first workday at the assembly. I'm saying this first day because at the first day we unload until noon and then start working, and now it's about noon, so it's full day just accomplished at the assembly, and we are in a very good state. We built the front and rear facades and side walls, beams. They're all done. Now we will be moving on placing the A-frames and for the first one, and while we are doing that, assembling A-frames and placing, the second team is finishing the front facade for the third cabin, and they're working like very good. incredibly talented guys, hardworking guys, very similar to what we are working in Turkey, but since these are their first time assembling our style cabins, we would expect not this efficiency, but they turned out really good, really good.
So we are at our 7th day of the assembly, and we already finished 3 A-frames, rafters, beams, walls, joinery, and we placed the wooden planks. So now we are closing the roof on the first one, and we put the insulation and now OSB stage, and then they will place the metal standing seam roofs. So everything is going well so far, and this is a very good performance out there from them. And what we are doing is only guiding them, since they are very experienced about cabin building. They already have a cabin resort, cabin hotel, and we are just guiding them to our system. And they seem like they really like the experience so far, and they really enjoy the results. I will give interview with them and get some insights from them as well. Thank you. Rick, we are at like 12th day of the assembly, and how do you think so far?
I'm just shell-shocked. I'm shocked. It was wonderful. No, I'm very happy they made it here because we were worried about everything, and they're beautiful, and I feel like a lot got done in 12 days. Josh, Victor, those are my two rocks. We couldn't have done it without them, but there was a lot of other people as well. Clemente was a badass, yeah. I feel like in June we'll be able to have at least one or two ready. No, but everything's went surprisingly well. I feel really good at this point.